Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm VJ and you're watching another episode of my reaction for today. This is the part 2, the continuation of what we have started, the exclusive ang mga hugot sa buhay ng Bini, interviewed by Karen Davila. So we stopped on the interview with Buen. So I'm just gonna continue this.
Pero tanong ko, taga Bicol kayo, mapapanood ba ng pamilya mo ang concert?
Ay, opo, pupunta po ang family
ito
ko.
rin ang Bohol. Mapapanood nila.
Pinalipad ko po rin.
Yeah.
Ako rin po.
Diba? Lahat kayo.
Opo.
Nakasabi ni Maloy.
Yeah.
Kay Mika naman, para kang foreigner, Mika.
Because of her hair.
Social.
Char. Joke lang po. Joke lang. Joke lang.
From Bicol to
Yeah, she's like a
Pero
foreigner
I was
actually.
born in Cebu, tapos yun, from then on, palipat-lipat kami ng lugar. So, pag tinatanong po ako kung saan po ako galing, hindi ko rin po alam. Yung dad and
But
mom
she's
ko,
originally
sabi
from
nila na they
Cebu,
don't
so
want us to experience what they did, kaya talaga,
I presume she
umayo din
also
talaga
have
sila, and I'm
little
very
Bisaya,
blessed.
you know.
Oh, ang una mong
She also
sweldo,
knows
anong ginawa mo?
Bisaya a little.
Nagsasend po ako kay Papa ng mga 20k, 30k.
Ang buhay mo,
Oh, that's
para
cool.
sa mga kasamahan mo, mas medyo stable.
Yes po.
Yeah.
Anong natutunan mo sa mga kasamahan mo?
There are a lot of different lives out there. Not judge anyone.
Not judge.
Katulad po ako ni
That's
Stacy,
important.
only child po ako. Yung daddy ko po OFW before pandemic po. Si mami po housewife. Ang kasama ko lang talaga palagi sa bahay, lolo't lola, kasi 5 lang po kami. So wala si daddy, wala si mami, lolo't lola lang talaga. Yung feeling ko pinaka-down talaga ako sa buhay ko na to the point na sinasaktan ko yung sarili ko. Yung namatay po si lolo kasi parang wala akong magawa.
Sinasaktan
Kasi
like
yung
what?
makauwi po
Suicide
kasi nasa-
attempt or something?
Nandito po ako sa Bini House, pandemic noon, bawal kami lumabas. Pag naisip ko lang yung tinatanong niya kasi ako palagi, okay lang ko kayo mapapanood ng live kasi never niya po kami napanood ng live. Ayun, feeling ko ginaid niya din talaga ako, ginaid niya kami kasi nung time na nawala siya, parang doon naman lumuwag. Nasayang lang, hindi niya po naabutan. Pero, ayun, masaya naman po ako, close po ako sa family ko, kahit mga tito, tita ko, mga
Yes.
pinsan ko. Hindi ko na feel na only child ako kasi bukod sa mga pinsan ko, meron pa akong 7 ano. So, minsan pag nafe-feel ko lang na nahihirapan ako, titignan nyo lang silang 7, parang mas mahirap yung pinagdaanan nila sa akin.
She got
Ang salamin,
like 7
Yes,
sisters,
salamin po.
you know.
Salamin tungkol siya sa mga
Okay, they're
crush nyo
performing?
na hopefully mapansin na. And yung mga minamanifest nyo, guys. So, salamin sa dingding. Kailan kaya niya ako
I'm gonna watch that
mapapansin?
music
Ganon.
video like in my next episode. I also found out that you know Mamamoo, right? Mamamoo's leader Solar has actually covered the song of Bini, the Pantropico one, and that is just so great. You know, they are recognized. You know,
hindi
They're truly
biro
recognized.
ang 8 babae. Una, nag-away-away ba kayo noon?
Lagi.
Oh my gosh. So, sino ang peacemaker?
Ay, may mga neutral.
neutral.
Iba. Oh, sino?
Siguro pinaka-balance.
Sino?
Bebe.
Sino ang ate ng grupo?
Ay, yung oldest po namin si Ate Aya.
The ate, yes.
Ah,
Siya ang pinapakinggan.
Aya is the ate, but Joanne is the leader.
Ito. Oh, lahat kayo tumira sa iisang bahay. Sino ang pinakamakalat? Yung totoo.
Lahat po kami makat, pero nililinis po namin kanya-kanya.
O sinong pinakamalinis?
Stacy. Ay, si
Eh,
Stacy.
Stacy. Okay. 1 point.
Who's who?
Sinong pinaka-vain?
Oh,
Okay. Maloy. Sino ang pinaka-simple?
Ito, Ate Aya.
Aya.
Ay, Ate Gwen. Ate Gwen.
Colette.
ah,
Si Bebe.
all of them.
Sino pinaka-maingay?
Si Staff. Ate Jo.
Sheena.
Pero yung pinaka, hindi ako sobrang ingay.
I think Stacy.
Si Joanna. Si
Ah,
Joanna.
okay.
Ay, hindi po, grabe po talaga. As in, titig po yung tenga nyo.
Sino
Ah, okay.
pinaka-moody?
So
Yung
it's
totoo.
Tina.
Sino mainitin ang ulo.
Ate Colette.
Okay.
Minsan si Mika.
Passive-aggressive lang.
Passive. Sino ang pinaka-pasensyosa?
Anong pasensya?
Mahaba pa sa
Patient, mga
Si
papasensyosa.
Ate Jo!
Bali is like,
Wala
I recommend myself. I nominate myself.
Si Jo may ugali rin yan minsan.
Nagkakaalaman na.
Hindi ka nila lang papansinin.
Feeling ko kasi leader si Joanna. So,
That's natural for a leader.
May ate vibe ka. May ate vibe ka. Sagot to the youngest. Sino ang boy crazy?
Ooh.
Sino
Marami siyang crush.
nagugulat ako?
She's into K-pop.
Maraming nagugulat din po ako.
Raise your hand. Sino ang nagka-boyfriend na?
Hala!
That's before.
Hindi boyfriend eh. Pero parang something like that.
Fling.
MU po.
Okay.
Feeling
Pero
naman.
sino ang hindi pa nagkaka-boyfriend?
Ever since.
Oy!
No boyfriend since birth. Wow.
Official po.
That's
Okay.
that's really so.
Wow. Bawal. Bawal.
They're not allowed to
Meron ba kayong
do that.
agreement na group muna?
Ay,
Success
parang-
muna.
Kaya naman po pagsabay.
Wow. Nasa contract ng bini bawal boyfriend. Kasi ang
Ooh.
problem ko yung
That's written,
concentration.
stipulated in their contracts.
direct naman po. There's one time na, parang overtime ililift po. Pero yun nga po, yung worry kasi nila, nagde-distract. Love ba nila
Exactly.
Yes, that's true.
Pag nag-away po kami ng, pag nag-away yung
Ng
partner,
boyfriend, totoo yun.
Tapos sa
Then yung
Yes, you really can't love two masters at a time, you know? You have to focus on one.
Oo. And where do you get inspiration?
Family.
Wow, that's
Ano na
great.
yan?
Because they don't have boyfriends, you know, so it's the family. Walang choice.
Where
But
do you
their
get
family.
inspiration? Bayarin.
Opo kasi, ano po
Bayarin.
alipin kami ng mahal na bayarin.
Okay.
Alipin.
Sino ang pinakamatipid sa inyo?
Okay.
Oh, hindi.
Hindi. Hindi. Wala po. Wala kapag wala isang lagi kang nag-ano big time. Wala po.
Ah,
Hindi.
Sino ang pinakamagastos?
Si Baby lagi pong may parcel. To din.
Sa ano lang ako, furniture, kasi nag-invest na ako sa food.
wow.
Hindi
That's, you know,
Halo.
gastos for a reason.
Okay. Sino ang
Investment.
pinakatahimik sa bahay?
Si Gwen po. Nasa ano lang po siya, bed.
She's the calmest one.
Sino ang pinakamasipag sa rehearsal?
Lahat.
Wow.
Bawal naman.
Sino pinakamalakas
It's great.
kumain?
Lahat. Opo.
Like, they're not restricted at all.
Kung gagawa kayo ng pelikula or teleserye,
Because, you know, in K-pop, you know, there are actually groups that are actually not allowed to eat a lot.
who's the guy?
Si Sir Jericho Rosales.
Okay.
Ooh.
Understandable. Oh, Stacy.
Since 2018,
Me
panay
too,
po talaga
me
ako,
too.
Donnie Pangilinan.
Ayan.
Ooh.
Sir Bong Navarro po.
Bong Navarro.
Opo.
Okay, interesting to. Bong is charming, pero hindi mo iisipin ka agad Bong kasi comedian. Bakit si Bong?
Ay, naisip ko po agad.
What is it about Bong?
I think because of the...
movie po ako mula bata sa TV, like ang
Mm.
funny niya, tapos sumasayaw din siya. So, nasa
Bong
kanya
is
na
not
lahat.
actually for me.
Next,
He's not
okay
actually
ka.
that handsome, you know. But when he actually dances, it automatically like reflects in his face. Like he's so guapo.
Ano to?
Local dapat ha.
Kung local, ibe-base off ko to sa mga artists na nakikita
There's
ko in
explanation.
person. So si
Okay.
Mr. Piolo Pascual.
Yeah.
The standard of beauty,
Okay,
Filipino
okay.
beauty.
Gwen.
Sir Jericho
Yan.
Mm.
Share ko. Oh, Aya.
Yung
Now,
veneration po.
Ay, oh, mabait yun.
Ooh, a lot older.
Have you ever experienced a heartbreak?
Wala.
Wala.
Hindi.
Sa ating window. Sa ating window.
Wala. Wala pa.
Because she had a boyfriend like before she is Beanie.
Ano?
Hindi po. Hindi po nadurog ang puso ko.
Hindi po, tinawanan ko lang.
That's great. That's how you cope up from, heartbreak.
Okay. So, as we end our interview, siguro, no?
It's an
Ano
ending.
ang you can give me a life verse, biblically,
Mm.
or a life lesson na hawak-hawak nyo, dala-dala nyo.
I think I'm gonna be getting
Favorite
emotional
verse
in
ko po,
here.
The pain that you've been
Again.
feeling right now cannot compare to the joy that is coming. Romans 8:18. Parang every
Oh,
time po
what's
na
this? I consider that our present sufferings are not worth comparing with the glory that will be revealed in us. That is
nalulungkot
so.
ako, parang pinangahawakan ko lang yung Bible verse
Yeah.
na yun na, okay, sige,
That's
hayaan ko
great.
nang maranasan ko lahat ng lungkot. Kasi alam ko na mas grabe pa yung
You know
joy na
that they
ibibigay sa akin ng
are
Lord God.
God-fearing
And
also, right? Because they
risking
have
is
that.
better than regretting. So lahat ng tinake ko na risk, nasaktan man ako, ang importante natuto ako sa lahat ng yun.
Galing,
Yeah.
nag-isip si Maloy ng
So
Hindi
clever,
po, ano
right?
po yun talaga.
They're really
Nasa puso
smart.
ko. po
Okay,
yun.
surprise. Guwes, o ikaw.
Trust the process. Kasi
Ah,
duman po ako sa point ng actually
that's their motto in life. Trust the process.
Sa Bini,
Opo.
I'm actually listening to this interview. I'm actually also getting lessons from it, and this is great, right? So Maloy said, risking is better than regretting. And here comes Gwen. She says, trust the process.
Opo, yun yung mga time na gulong-gulo yung isip ko. Talaga, as in, I feel so lost.
Because there is really a process to it. There's no
Always do your best and God
no shortcut.
Siguro sa akin po, I've always said this since the start, na dreams will only stay dreams
Unless you act upon them.
Ako po, always try your best to live in peace. If may option naman na pwede namang mapayapa na lang ako, then piliin ko na lang yun. Talagang tanggalin ko muna yung mga negative thoughts. Always look at the positive side.
Ako po, sinendo sa akin ni Ate Ike, si visual director po namin. Malalaman mo na may paparating na blessing sa'yo kapag may tinatanggal na si Lord sa'yo. Kasi He's making space.
Ganda nun. Oh,
Ako po,
So
everything
smart.
happens for a reason po. And a lesson. Yun lagi kung may mangyayari hindi maganda or maganda,
Yes,
lahat
there's a
yun
reason behind it.
plan ni Lord.
Ako po, super simple
Yes,
but
true.
it has been effective ever since. Let go and let God. Ito po yung sinasabi ng dad ko in all the times na may challenges po, ito po yung sinasabi niya and ako din po and effective po siya talaga.
so this is Coco's. It's a restaurant
Okay.
right in front of the pool in Sofitel. So let's check it out. Ang ganda ng vibe, guys. Very resort vibe.
Okay,
Check that
so
out.
I think
Favorite
the
ko.
interview
And
is over.
we are gonna eat na. Mukbang time na tayo.
Okay. Woo. Wow. I love this interview of Karen. Like, they
You
really
guys are
let
sold
out their
out.
emotions.
We just want to say thank you so much po sa Blooms namin.
Solo
na
concert gets
nagpa-sold
sold out in
ng
less than 2
3-day
hours.
concert
Yes.
namin. Hindi namin talaga in-expect po
When's that
kasi
gonna happen?
Within 2 hours po siyang na-sold out nung first day. And then, nung release namin, yung second and third day at the same time, less than 2 hours rin po siya nag-sold out. And we're very grateful. And sana sa next concerts namin, ganun rin po yung mangyari.
Yes, Blooms, magkita-kita po tayo sa New Frontier Theater yung sinabi ni Mix, June 28 to 30 po.
Wow.
June
3 days tayo
28.
magsasama-sama.
Oh,
Nagpe-prep na kami ngayon, kaya
it's
medyo
actually
masakit
10
yung
days
katawan
from now.
namin. We promise na magiging worth it talaga yung experience nating lahat. And syempre sa lahat ng mga hindi nakasecure ng tickets, don't worry kasi madaming beses pa tayo magsasama.
I hope they're getting a tour here in my place.
It's the nanay in the house. Good luck.
Okay, good luck. Sabi niya good luck.
Ayan lang yan. Yan na.
Kaya ba niya?
7,
Talagang pag-vlog, you know. She actually won't do it with the kung hindi pa ito vlog. Anyway, that's Karen Davola's vlog, and I love this. Really, the girls are letting out their emotion, and you know, there's no limit, there's no reservation. So emotional. At the same time, it's fun to reminisce those experiences like that. And I learned so much from this interview. Very diverse. That's so great because God really has a plan for them to unite and be beanies. Really getting emotional to them, right? And it's really good to idolize group like this. Keep on standing, keep on supporting Beanie. Anyway, that's exclusive ang mga hugot sa buhay ng Beanie, Karen Davola's vlog. Thank you so much for actually recommending this video to me. I think I'm gonna watch their other music videos. For now, guys, thank you so much and bye-bye.